The last time I was in Greece, there's nothing I loved more than having a classic Greek salad, and also their calamari was outstanding. So I thought, why not mix them together and make a delicious salad as a main dish? And that's what I'm going to be cooking for you today. Now, I've got 2 medium-sized squid, or calamari if you like, and I've removed and cleaned the inside of them. I've also kept the tentacles. That's my favourite part. I love how they curl up after they've cooked. Now, I need to hit these with some flavour, so classic Greek flavours, some garlic that I'm going to mince straight into a bowl. I'll add a generous pinch of dried oregano and the zest of 1 lemon. We'll use some of the lemon juice later on in the dressing, but for now, we just need the zest. And I like to do this over the bowl, so all of the oils from the lemon go directly into the bowl. It does really make a difference. Okay, good pinch of salt so we can season the marinade and also season our calamari. A generous glug of extra virgin olive oil, and if you like, some cracked pepper. Okay, now we'll place the hoods in first and really give them a massage, getting all of that flavour in and around, even inside the calamari. We'll add the other one and the tentacles. Now I'm going to cook these straight away, but if you have time, you can marinate them for 20 minutes to half an hour. Now I'm going to cook this in my Opti grill. I've preheated it and I'm going to cook it on manual. I love this because it's all about precision cooking and it's really, really hot. So we're just going to flash fry these beautiful calamari. It won't take long at all. So on they go. It's a good sizzle there. And I don't want these hoods to curl up. Naturally, they want to do that. So by pressing it in the Opti grill, they're going to get a nice colour and an even cook. So on with those tentacles too. And we'll just close our Opti grill. And then this is not going to take long at all. I almost want it to be slightly undercooked because it'll continue cooking as it comes off our grill. All right, while that's cooking, let's get onto the rest of the salad. So some cucumber, and I'm just going to cut them into about 2 centimetre rounds. So just 1 cucumber. We'll pop that into a bowl. Tomato. Just going to take the core out. Nice ripe tomatoes for this. And then cutting them into 4. So quite chunky. I don't want it to look perfect. I like a Greek salad that looks like it's just been thrown together. I feel like it's just going to taste so much better. We're just going to cut this red onion into fine, fine slices, about half of this, and separate the onion with your hands. In it goes. Depending on what part of Greece you have your Greek salad, some places like to add some capers, and we'll add some more of that beautiful oregano. Dried oregano is used commonly for a salad like this. Good quality extra virgin olive oil. Some salt to season it. And a splash of white wine vinegar. Now I'm just going to pop this to the side for now. I just don't want to mix it too much because I want it to stay nice and crunchy. So as soon as the calamari is cooked, I'll take it off the grill and we'll mix everything together. All right, this is cooked. Have a look at that. Beautiful char marks on that calamari. And it smells so good with that garlic and the lemon. Yummo. Now this can come straight off our grill. And with this protein, you don't have to wait. You don't have to allow it to rest. We want to chop it up quickly and get it straight through that salad. So with the tentacles, we're just going to roughly chop them into 3 pieces. And then we'll pop that in the salad while it's still hot. And then I'm going to open up the calamari hoods. And we're just going to roughly chop them into long pieces. You can cut these however you like, it really doesn't matter. And the other one. See how tender that is? Perfectly cooked. Okay, into the salad and just a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice as it comes off the grill while it's still piping hot, and another splash of olive oil. Great. Let's toss it together. Oh, it smells fabulous. And this is the exception to the rule when you can add some cheese with some seafood. The saltiness of feta just works nicely, so we're just going to crumble a small amount over the top. And because I love my lemon, a little wedge on the side. That right there is a beautiful Mediterranean dish to brighten up your day.